and welcome. My name's Suzanne from Non-Stop Papercrafts. Welcome back to my craft room. So today's really exciting. I am doing a product review. I was approached by a company called Grabie and they asked if I would be willing to do a review of one of their products. So they let me go online to their website. I had a little look to see if it was even something that I would be interested in. Did they have anything that I think I could use? And they actually sell lots and lots of washi tapes. So as you may know, I love my washi tapes. So that is what I chose to review from them. So they've sent it out to me and I'm here to kind of do an unboxing and do a bit of a make with them. So as I say, the company is called Grabie. Their packaging was really good actually. This was completely covered in a kind of like a plastic wrap with obviously the labels and things on, but this is a nice sort of sturdy box with the washi tapes in. And then when opening up, you get this really fun little like postcard. So it says, "May the art be with you." And they actually do this fun thing, so you can colour to win. So you can colour in the card, post it on Instagram, obviously tag Grabie, and then you could actually win a $50 voucher, which is really cool. So I'm definitely going to be doing that. You also get a Grabie code. Now this is obviously for 12%. Because I am doing this review, they've allowed me to give out to you guys a 15% off discount code, so check the description down for that. I have to say I don't get anything from that. It's just something they offered me to give to you because I was doing the review. So yeah, look below for the 15% discount. Okay, so these are the washies that I ordered. So again, the nice Grabie logo. So I'm just going to unwrap these and I'll explain what I've bought. Okay, so what I ordered from them was the washi flower petal set. I actually chose set B. Now I am not even going to try and pronounce some of these flowers. Some I can do. One of them's a water lily. I can do that one. Another's a forget-me-not, but the others I cannot pronounce very well. So I will put them hopefully up on the screen about now so you can see what flowers I've got. But I really loved this idea. I think I saw Pam at the Paper Outpost. It was a video she'd done so long ago, such a long time ago. She was just talking about washi tapes in general and how to use them in your journals to kind of decorate. And she had washi tapes that were petals of flowers. Now I've looked everywhere in the UK for a UK based shop and I haven't been able to find one. So when I saw these on the Grabie site, because obviously I knew I was going to be able to do a review on them, I absolutely jumped at the chance to do these. So I'm quite excited to have a little bit of a play with them today. And the way that I'm going to use them is that I have this beautiful viewfinder. So I know it's not the traditional circle one. I was looking for a circle one ages ago and I was posting in a Facebook group and a friend of mine said, "Oh, I've got this one. It's a half circle. Would you be interested in buying this from me?" So I was like, yes, because it is absolutely beautiful. So I'm having a play around with this one today. It comes with the die that kind of cuts the main outside frame, plus the die that has this panel, and then you get these two. One I think is to do a kind of another frame around here should you wish to, and the other one cuts out like the acetate. So I've already cut that, so I know you probably can't see this very well because obviously it's clear, but I have got my 6 pieces ready. Now the only problem I'm going to have is I've only got 5 flowers, but we will have to obviously do one twice. But what I really love about these is they are individual petals, but then they can be built up to make a flower. So that's what I'm going to have a play around with now and kind of see how we get on. Okay, so I've just pulled off this first part. I'm assuming this then creates one flower and it kind of goes in sequences of that. So you've got lots of petals and then you've got what would be obviously the bud and the stem. So I'm just going to put the tape back on there. And as you can see, you get individual petals. So you can obviously arrange these then however you like on your flower. And I think they're different sized petals as well. So again, you could have a kind of partly closed flower, however you like. But look, yeah, they're all different. So that's really, really good. Obviously, when you're making flowers, they're not all going to be exactly the same. So I'm just going to have a little bit of play around on my acetate. Now, I know that you can't see this very well because obviously acetate is clear, but hopefully you'll be able to see me building up the flower. Okay, so that's my sort of flower specimens built up. I must admit I have no idea how this flower is supposed to look. I'm going to have a look on the website, I think, and kind of see how they built this flower. But I just put a couple of petals on there just so obviously I've got some examples. I really love this blue one. I think that's just so gorgeous. But I like the variety of the different flowers as well. I just think they're absolutely beautiful. So now we're going to add these to my viewfinder. So because I've got two of the blue ones, I'm going to have one, I think, near the top and then one a bit further down. So all I'm going to do is add some double-sided tape to the back, and then I can start sticking these down. Okay, so I've gone up and around kind of the edges of the windows. I just obviously need to be able to catch this just a little bit, enough to stick it down, and then obviously it'll be glued down onto there anyway. So I'm just going to peel back some of the tape and then start organising where I want each of my flowers. Oh, lovely. So how awesome is that? So I've got obviously the texture of all of these petals on here, and obviously the fact that they're not enclosed, so I haven't got another piece of acetate over the top of them. You can actually feel the texture on them, which just makes it look so pretty. Well, I have to say I am impressed with these washi tapes from Grabie. Just a reminder, they are called the Washi Flower Petal Set B. I'll put the names of the flowers on the screen for you because, like I said, I'm not going to try and butcher some of those names. I will also put the link down below to them if you want to go and check them out on Grabie. I will also have in the description my 15% off discount code. So if you are going shopping at Grabie, make sure that you use the code to get 15% off. What I've really loved about these is the fact that I can play around. So I could either build a flower, or I could just put a single petal in as a specimen. I do like to make specimen cards in my journal, so this was absolutely perfect, and I'm so glad that I've been able to test these out. I will also say in Grabie's favour that their packaging was really, really good. I loved the fun element of having the kind of postcard that you can colour in and then post on the Instagram for a chance to win a $50 voucher. These washi tapes are also going to be really useful to me because I'm doing a few spring style journals at the moment. So yeah, you're going to be seeing a few more sort of specimen type things where I'm going to be using these. So yeah, very pleased with this order. Well, that's it from me. I hope that you have enjoyed the video and the review of these products. I do enjoy these fun quick makes. If you want to see more crafty videos, then make sure that you are clicking the subscribe button and the bell so you are notified of any other crafty video that I release. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful crafty day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.